at another low dollar baby. Now, I don't know how Mar does his videos, but I'm gonna give you guys some long content and good content, baby. But pretty much, he's in Vegas right now, enjoying his life while he got other people racing his fucking car. But if you guys are new to his channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, Coyote Mar. He has a boosted Mustang ESS kit, fully 85. If you guys don't know, just to give you guys a look of his car. So he is running a RS3. It's over there somewhere after we get that, but just to give you guys a look on his car, 15s in our front. He is missing a bumper. If you guys haven't checked out last video where the shit blew off, he should insert a clip right here where his back bumper blew off. So other than that, man, you guys know Bandcamp, Jumper, Tone, Chris. He picked up a new F-body.
But right now, you know, we gotta pump some more fucking gas. Shit's ridiculous, bro. Shit is ridiculous. This shit's worse than my fucking SS. Obviously, because it's boosted. But, you know, we gotta be a little bit above half a tank at least, especially with the triple pumps in tank. How you feel about this race, bro?
Nigga, you driving? I don't know, man.
Oh, how you feel about this race, bro?
Same thing that brother said.
Oh, man.
He's on the phone with, I'm sure, Mar.
My little bro. Just
Yeah,
put
him on speaker because I'm vlogging for him.
It's not Mar. Oh. Somebody want to know who. He wondering why Mar not driving. Nobody got faith in me.
So what do you think is your outcome for tonight?
I drive this bitch just like my little bro drives.
No, you don't. No, you don't, bro. That nigga drives like a maniac.
Nah, but look, yeah, he do.
Yeah.
But I think I'm gonna hit on him and he'll slowly start pulling back, but he won't pull back in time. 65 to 160.
Are you gonna stay in it?
Am I gonna stay in it if it's spin?
Yeah.
You wanna lose money or you wanna stay in it and burn? Little bro said stay in it. But anyways, I literally stay in it until I feel the car. I stay in it until I feel the car kick out. When the car kick out, then you just let off.
Got you.
Once it kick out, and you anything over 700 horsepower, don't even fight.
For sure. But there you guys have it, man. We are having a stunt driver for my guy Mark Carr. Like I said, man, I hope you guys enjoy his video. Other than that, I'll get some more of the footage. Oh, how's it going, brother? Bro.
Biggest brothers.
That's my little bro.
You guys look at I was like, it looks like he's here.
It's because they're black. Racist.
They got the same hair and everything, same head shape.
Whoa.
So we're doing
60, 160, right?
65, 160.
65, 160.
65, 160. We hold on, we talked everything. 65, 160. We're counting. So I'll be on the right side, you'll be on the left side. We didn't talk about pots, so you guys can back there. We'll figure out after that.
All right, man.
So if a car gets in the lane, we'll just rerun it. But other than that, just one and done. We'll
Chase a race.
Yeah,
regardless,
1,
right?
2, 3, and it's a race. So if you don't go at all, like if you don't accelerate at all, it's fine to rerun.
Yeah.
But if something does happen where we have to redo it, we just have to pull over at the next exit and just let my car cool down, because I can only do anti-lag once because it temps you up to like 240, and then I got to let it cool down before we do it again.
Cool, that bitch going ahead, man. All right, that's cool.
And then I took some medication before I came, so I'm not driving because I don't want to get in a car accident.
What kind of medication?
Huh?
What kind of medication?
So that shit.
I just showed yeah, here. Yeah, because he didn't know how to drive it. That's why we were gone.
Oh, weight reduction.
All right, we collect pot, we go. Right.
Cool.
We waiting on like 2 guys.
Oh, you're chill.
They like 10
I gotta let my car cool down anyways.
What's up, Atlanta? Here's the thing about bro. He like to go off his GoPro, right?
Yeah.
So whatever speed he gets to in his GoPro is wherever you at.
What's that?
That's what he gonna determine the race off of.
Yeah, I feel that. But
unless
unless
you argue to use your GoPro.
But he got a 360 GoPro. I hate the
close race because if they're even off a little bit, it looks weird. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna put mine. Just want to make sure. Where's the fucking
Bro,
Atlanta. Hey, he don't even know what you're talking about, bro. You might as well just come pop this. Come pop this motherfucker.
We having a good combo, man. See how these camp niggas do, nigga?
That's
why it's bandage, nigga.
That nigga, all he was looking like.
You know what? Pop that up, nigga.
This bitch actually look like a little go-kart.
It's a wine combination. Nigga, leg maker.
Leg maker.
I got one of these at home. Let me see what I'm looking for.
Hey, trust me, bro. I know Audi, bro. I got it.
No, you gotta look more in the back.
I just want to make sure I don't see no line. That's it. All this shit is fucking. Which one? You gonna roll the windows down?
Oh, yeah.
You know, people hide the bottom. We looking deep. Looking deep.
You can put their bottle on the door? What the hell? That's
Probably
a with the scat.
The
Panel in the
This one go
panel.
down. Those go like that.
Oh, no, that's how
How you
far it
go?
goes.
Look at this.
Huracan LP60.
I want to know, can we do
3100. Where you at right now?
If we
3?
lose, I'm gonna be on the couch on that.
3100.
Yeah, if you guys can.
Where we at right now?
3.
31 hits.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. Just want to make sure.
Run off on the plug.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You know they go in the back way, right?
He was slingshotting.
Yeah, he put it like he was like back here and he turned on. Like he was talking him down and stopped.
Hey, no, you know how he know when niggas, you know how he know when niggas lost when all these niggas is huddled up like that. Look.
Nigga.
Yeah, they're like, oh, look.
I can't get his keys out the car.
Whoa. Whoa. $160. Go ahead. Show me 160.
That nigga was slingshotting.
He was coming.
Let me get this for you too. Yeah, literally I looked at my dash 160. We're like, either I was like,
Show more video.
oh, here, y'all want to see it? Then we could go for y'all footage too.
And then remember how we said y'all start off even? So even is right here. Even is when your car's right here, up there. That's when y'all even. And then at 160, if I put my finger at, I gotta move it back here. You know what I mean? Does that make sense?
Yeah, where's that camera at though?
Come on, bro. Come on.
Nah, that was in the same spot. You walked over there and he even checked it out.
I wasn't driving.
But you're reasonable though, bro. It's your race. You feel me? Like we always go off GoPros and we race with this nigga. I mean, I don't see what's different today.
Your video is like.
Hey, but to be fair,
just go to 160.
y'all start off at the same.
Just go to 160 on yours, Trev.
You can't switch the heart rate though, Rob. It's real shit. You said you agreed that was even.
On our camera or whatever his camera, you guys are even. You try, you know, we're not trying to fight. Argue about our system.
Nigga, we got 160.
No, go back to 68. Your camera's off. You're ahead of him.
Okay, but how
But
many
on his
numbers, like,
camera,
two,
you guys are
It's not
each
the
other.
numbers.
That's what he
The
tries to
length of the
explain.
car, bro. It's the length of the
It don't
car.
matter. We still raced, bro.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
what we're
You know what I'm
saying.
I know what you're saying, bro. But what I mean, your camera is off.
This is his camera. This is his camera.
We're not saying
Who camera is that?
That's your camera. That's
Your camera. Okay, no. On your video,
this is the
your
video
camera's
going
in
off
front
of.
of him.
This is
Yeah,
the video
okay.
going off of. And we still won. Bro. By
Like, this is y'all video. Our video, we're like miles ahead of this nigga.
That's that
Look,
bread
this
out.
This
like
is y'all video.
Hey, Trevor, hold on, I'm trying to just look.
We're ahead in both
Bring it
videos.
down.
How is that not a win?
Now look, just put it like this, Trevor. Just
No.
No, we won in both videos. What do we have to lose to fucking like?
Hey, scoot over, bro, please. Hey, Trevor, try to make your GoPro cheat as much as it can, or whatever the fuck everybody's saying, and we go off of that. You can't make that big cheat.
Like,
no
bro, you
way.
lost in both
You know what I
videos.
mean?
I don't understand what the argument is.
You
bro.
go from
Chase
these
the race. You step on the pedal, you go. You go off GoPros. In your video, in his video, you lost. Whether y'all niggas like the 360 or not, that's what y'all agreed on, bro. Like, we're being completely honest.
You can't say
Give us 2 minutes. I'm talking to him.
Moments later.
Literally, man to man though, like no bullshit. 160, we're dead even.
When do man to man get paid? I don't
Yeah,
know.
I can't tell you because I was looking.
When doesn't Trevor pay?
Okay, listen, bro. I agree with what you're saying.
Trevor always pays.
I agree with what you're saying. I agree with what you're saying. Man to man, but they agreed to footage though. That's the rules they agreed to.
This is the only time I ever not drove. I know.
That's what I'm saying. So look, what you're saying could be true, could not be true, but it's what they agreed on. They agreed. Okay, you can. I understand.
No,
I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm
You
saying
might not be lying, but we going off of the footage, bro. You get what I mean?
And my thing is, bro, Trevor, our race was way closer than this shit. We didn't do none of this. Why is he doing this shit on a race that's not even?
You're way out on Trevor.
Bro, we've been here.
I'm
for
talking about at
hours.
155, bro. At 155, our shit was way closer than this shit.
Look, I even told this nigga Trevor, try to make the GoPro cheat or whatever and make it seem like y'all won somehow.
That's why I'm trying to sit
I'm
there
just
and
saying, bro,
argue
in
with you
both
guys, 'cause I really
videos,
know
bro.
what happened now. Because I look at 147, I look,
No,
and I'm like, I
I get you, bro. Like,
And then at 160, I looked again because I'm watching the shit. At 160, we're like
look,
this, and then I
That's
started
your
yanking.
word, bro. In both videos,
we might have really been. Like, I'm not saying we wasn't. We might have been, but we going off of the GoPro. You get what I mean? Yeah, but we going off GoPro because you saying that we did even at 160. I can counter argument and say I was ahead at 160. You know what I mean? We'd just be going off of words.
If I would have lost at 160 and I was behind you, I would have paid you straight up.
Yeah, but I don't know that. You know what I mean?
But I'm telling you myself, bro, like dead ass.
Yeah,
Dead ass. 160, we were dead even. I was like a bumper ahead of you. But I swear to God, at 160, we were like this.
I
bro.
get you're not used to losing, but you're not in the super, bro.
4 moments later.
What about that 100 though?
Yeah, we get it.
Oh, I'm not even like that.
I just let you know you'll get it.
That's 29. Didn't we do 31? That should be 3. It was 31.
Somebody, what's that? You put it in.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 31.